Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 9. Get ready for the dictation. Start. I am glad to have got this opportunity of saying a few words about khadi and village industries. I have always welcomed such occasions because I think cottage industries have an important role to play in the economic setup of our country today. Perhaps it would have been unnecessary to lay emphasis on this point if there was not an impression prevailing among the people that cottage industries have no place in the present day world in which industrialization is looked upon as the hallmark of material progress. I am afraid this impression is as groundless as it is misleading. It is evident that in a country like India, where 80% of the people live upon agriculture and allied callings, the only result of excessive industrialization will be more production by fewer men, which instead of solving the problem of unemployment will render it more complicated. Its proof lies in the fact that although our country has advanced sufficiently on the road to industrialization, the incidence of unemployment instead of coming down appears to have gone up. In our country, special significance is attached to handicrafts and such small scale industries as can be easily managed at home during spare time. If we lose sight of this fact and imagine that we can solve the problem of unemployment through industrialization, I am sure we shall only have disappointment in store for us. Unless the problem of unemployment is tackled successfully, we cannot remove poverty because whatever the quantity of wealth available in the country, it can be shared only among those who had some kind of work to do. The main victims of poverty are, after all, those who are jobless or who may be partially employed. Therefore, it is in the interest of the people of the rural areas and of our country's prosperity as a whole that the wrong impression referred to above is corrected and all efforts made to popularize and improve our cottage industries. The most important step adopted in this direction in recent years is, as pointed out by Shree Mehta, the establishment of the All India Khadi and Village Industries Board by the Government of India. By doing so, government has not only recognized the importance of village industries but also taken upon itself the responsibility of improving them. It has been accepted as a matter of policy in planning. Stop.